In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit or delete messages in Basecamp, ensuring your communication remains clear and up to date. Whether you're fixing a typo or removing an outdated post, this tutorial will simplify the process for you. Let's start by navigating to Basecamp's website. Open your preferred browser and head over to basecamp.com. Once there, log in with your credentials. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're in the right one where your project resides. After logging in, you'll see a list of your active projects. Scroll through and select the project where the message you want to edit or delete is located. With a click, you will be transported into the project workspace. Now, let's proceed to the message board, which is where all the project messages are stored. Look for the tab labeled Message Board and click on it. This will display all the messages posted within the project, providing a comprehensive view of the communication that has taken place. Once you're on the message board, find the specific message you want to edit or delete. Click on the message and it will open up in detail, allowing you to see any comments or attachments that might be associated with it. If you need to make changes to the message, look towards the top right corner of the message. You'll see an option labeled Edit. Click this, and the message will transform into an editable text field. Go ahead and make your necessary edits. Whether it's correcting a misspelt word or updating some project details, ensure the message is accurate and clear. Once you're satisfied with the changes, look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the editable field, and click it. This action saves your changes and brings you back to the message board. Sometimes, a message might no longer be relevant, and deleting it is the best option. To do this, locate the three dots, which is usually found near the top or side of the message, indicating additional options. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Put in the Trash. This action moves the message to the trash, effectively removing it from the active message board. It's a handy way to keep your project space tidy and relevant. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can confidently edit or delete any messages in Basecamp, ensuring your project communications are both accurate and organized. This process not only helps in maintaining clarity, but also keeps everyone on the same page. Remember, it's always good practice to review your messages before and after posting to minimize the need for edits or deletions. We hope this guide has been helpful for you. Feel free to revisit this tutorial anytime you need a quick refresher on managing your messages in Basecamp. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.